Happy Sunday, everybody. We hope you're having a great day. It's 0 degrees here and it's Sunday afternoon. Hello, hello, hello. The happy Canadian says hello. Hello to you, hello to you, hello.
So we're just sitting here, just hanging out today. Kids are just watching some show on YouTube. You know, that platform where everybody keeps on uploading their videos. That's just what they're watching. Doing some sort of kid programs. They seem to like it. I don't know much about it, but they seem to really like it. I don't even know what it's about.
It was this weekend at Big Night Italy. I'm going to Birmingham. I look like a bulldog.
What?
Don't do it that way.
This is how you're supposed to do it.
No.
Yeah, because the
I don't know
camera...
what you're pointing it at right now.
I'm pointing it at Emily.
You're all cockeyed though.
The camera that you're supposed to use is at the front. It's a better camera. Keep on using the back camera all the time, but then the quality isn't that great. Plus, this way here, I'm always looking at the lens, so it looks like I'm looking at you when I'm talking, instead of looking at my face when I'm looking at the rear camera. The only thing the only thing I think of this side of the camera is doesn't give you as much length for recording. Like I think
because it's a higher megapixel, it takes more room.
Yeah. So with the camera, the front facing camera, you only get like a few minutes.
You're missing all the ding dongs cutting me off.
Yeah, this guy just cut us off here. Mr. I can't say who you are, but
Not
Mr.
Cool.
Mr. Ford.
To report you. Blah.
So as you guys can see, it is, I don't know, it's
Sunny.
sun and cloud.
Wants to be sunny, but there's
Yeah.
Hot chocolate.
And we just tried I just got the Tim Hortons app. So we just picked up our coffee from the store. Well, we prepaid it. So it's kind of nice. It was busy in there. So I just walked in, grabbed a coffee, and walked out. It's kind of cool.
Go, kitty, go. Go, kitty, go.
So we're just going out to pick up a few things. Here's the busy highway to Toronto. Can't really see it from the car. That's also the highway that goes to Niagara Falls. QEW 403.
Queen Elizabeth Way, in other words.
So yeah, we're just driving. Driving. The guys back out to...
Yes, now Mama's sick.
Yeah, we both got the coughs. Wow, it's busy in there.
The lid on my coffee doesn't want to stay on properly.
Montana's.
The only thing that doesn't make any sense is why there's a Q
I don't know.
for the door handle.
I don't know. Do you have anything you want to say, Emily? You're the one that told me, do the vloggy vlog. You gotta do a long vloggy vlog.
Do the talking, Daddy. Do the talking.
And now she's gone quiet. I think she's tired. She's
Are
not...
you a sleepy buddy?
I don't think she likes the time change. It's messing with her. You guys realize that the time went forward?
They have no idea.
They have no idea. Emily looks like she's
It
gonna...
only affects the mummies and the daddies.
Emily looks like she's gonna fall asleep.
It's okay to sleep, bud.
Alright, you guys. Well, we're gonna shut you guys off for now. Then let Emily have a quick little nappy poo.
I saw a dog in the front seat of the car. It's so cute.
I will see you guys later. Okay? Alright, so we're just taking you guys out here on out in the country. A nice little area here. Zimmerman Park.
It's new.
Really looking at anything back there. Mount Nemo Scout Camp. I didn't even know that was there. Nice big, nice house. One of the joys about living out where we are is we're right off the Niagara Escarpment. So you get all these nice like landscapes and stuff.
One of Mike's friends lived over here.
It's like being way up in the middle of nowhere, but we're like not even that far from the country. So that's cool. I didn't even know there was a scout camp there. That's crazy. The ground is all crazy. Is that like the Lovell River too? I think it might be.
I think maybe it was this house here that his friend lived in.
Okay.
I don't know. I know it was along here somewhere.
What a cool place to have a house.
No, maybe not. I think it was further back from the road. I don't know. I
You
just
look
know it
out-
was down here somewhere.
You look out your window and you're like, all you see is like forest. Do you know how many animals you probably get to see?
All the mosquitoes you'd have.
Well, yeah, that, but it's just so crazy. Rivers fast and stuff too.
There's the church.
Yeah, there's a church here. Looks like they're doing some
Oh
revamping.
yeah, you just have to stop all of a sudden. Bling.
There's an airplane right in front of us. If you guys can see that. Oh, we're gonna turn around this way. Oh yeah. This little country drive. Oh, there's another airplane there. Lots of airplanes. Abby, if you look at your window, you'll see an airplane. So like literally, we're not even that far out from Burlington.
Five or so minutes outside of.
The city, and it's like now we're in farmland. Like there's a tractor.
Yeah, we're following a tractor.
There's a tractor right there. It's crazy. There's a bunch of Canada geese.
That house is absolutely gorgeous inside.
It's awesome out here. This looks like a horse farm. Trinity Trotters Equine. There's some horses there. Can't really see them because of the fence. I'll show you guys off for a bit. Where do you guys think we're going? I see lots of airplanes flying around.
Little small airplanes.
There's a jet over there that seems to be following us. I remember the last time we came down here was it was last summer. Remember when we had the windows open and Abigail got stung by that bee?
Oh yeah.
She was sitting in her car seat. Oh, there's a plane right there. Right up in the sky. Woo-hoo, there it is. So I think we're going to take you guys to the Burlington Airport.
Very small little place.
They do like flight training and so there's like a flight school here. So right out in the middle of the country. So that's where we're going. So here we are. There's the airplane there. I'm gonna step outside.
Yeah, and my mom and dad just live over that way a little bit.
And not far at all.
And this big bump that you see, that is the Niagara Escarpment. So they live just below it over that way.
It's really cold out here too, so we're gonna stay in the van. But yeah, here we are, we're at the airport. So see if we can see any. So we got some guys working over here. So these are all like the small Cessnas. Hello. You wanna come sit up at the front?
Want to sit in Daddy's spot?
So you can come and see? That's such a cool... Okay. Such a cool little plane. There's a couple other ones down here, but nothing. We saw a bunch when we got here that were just flying up and about, but I haven't seen anything since. We're just seeing the ones that are on the ground. Dark clouds are coming in too. Maybe that's why there's not a lot in the sky, because the clouds are dark. So cool, eh? Isn't that cool? Emily's back there passed out. She's not gonna believe it. She's gonna be like, what? You guys were at the airport and you guys didn't even wake me up? No cameras! No camera! So cool. Look over your window, hun. I don't know what the heck that one's doing. I don't know. It's still pretty crazy to see them flying that low. Especially over an airport. Like, you think they would be flying like that over here? So awesome. This is so cool. Just having them, I guess they're doing, they do landing and then they do takeoff. So they're practicing their landing and then they come around, they fly in a circle. But it's crazy too, because like you see a bunch of the jets, because Pearson Airport is how far do you think Pearson Airport is from here? Not that far. But their flight thing is like, they come all the way here to do their circling. So it's just weird. You see like jets like getting lower, and they're doing this right over the airport, which is kind of weird. But there's been a couple of them that have been like that. So, but yeah, I just did the time lapse. Hope you guys like that. And had a couple here. We're just enjoying the day, right? It's on me, girls. Not on you. I'm gonna go walk around over there and see them what they look like coming in. So yeah, let's walk around here. So this is like, you can do your training. I think they also have some flights that come out of here as well. Like Kathy and I were saying, last time we came out here, they had a helicopter where you can get there was helicopters coming out. So some people have helicopters. But obviously we can't go all the way out. But it's just cool because you can see them coming in and they do their landing. So we're going to come right out here. I'll come right here because this is as far as we're allowed to go. So, I don't know, you guys can see there's another jet right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's up in the sky right now. But yeah, they just do their circling here, so it's a good way to do some like spot some if you're like into those, if you like to do the jets, because this is where they come out. They come all the way out here, so that's in Air Canada. You guys can hear it. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but I think if you look right behind me, I don't know if you guys will be able to see. There's one coming in right behind my shoulder as we speak. So the runway is just right there. So they come in, they land, and then they take back up, they go back up again. So it's a cool way of doing it, because they have to like descend and then they have to get the throttle and go back up. So obviously they have to make sure they're out of the way for the next guys to come in, because that looks like what they're doing. So it's so cool. It's such an interesting spot. So I'll turn you guys back around so you guys can see. So there's one there that just came in. So as you see, it comes in and it's still going. He's gonna pop right back up. Oh, there we go, right here. And there he goes. So they descend and then they go back up. Pretty interesting. It's pretty crazy. It's a cool little spot. And then there it goes up in the air there. And there's another one. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm pointing right where my finger is. Off in the distance, so. That's the one that was doing it. He was going before. That's the one that looked like it had a door open. I think it only has one seat. I don't think that one's coming in. I think that one's just flying out. But you could be wrong. You never know what these guys are doing. Ah, here he comes. So I've got it zoomed in. It's landing. And there he is. He's landed. And then he's going to go right back up again. Oh, maybe not. Well, guys, that's the Burlington Airport that we were just visiting, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on enjoying our drive and our afternoon. Hope you guys like that. It was fun. We don't usually make it out here that often, so when we do come out here, it's nice to see the planes. The girls like it. Minus Emily, she didn't get to see much because she's sleeping.
She's locked.
All right, well, we're going to continue our drive, and we'll see you guys shortly. So we're here at Sobeys, and they have these awesome carts that are like kid size. So Abigail's got a cart. She says, customer in training. Emily's got her own cart. Yeah, that's nice. Small little veggie tray. So the next thing that we get goes into Abigail's cart, because Emily's got something in hers. Just don't run into mommy. Oh, watch, don't run into stuff. That's not nice to run into people and stuff with your carts. That would hurt somebody. Yeah, you can't be a drunk cart driver. Okay, let's keep on walking. Follow your sister. Hey, we're back in our car. We are eating some Noah Martin's Country Store, a Mennonite tradition. These come from St. Jacobs, Ontario. St. Jacobs Farmer Market.
Why is there one more left?
And,
Hey! Impatient noob.
so we just bought our, all of our stuff for...
We're gonna have a picnic at home!
We're gonna have an indoor picnic. And then when we were walking out, I saw these. I've never actually tried these.
Tastes pretty good.
These are the Diet Cokes with the flavors. This one is called Feisty Cherry. Feisty Cherry. So yeah. Nice little trip to the airport. Hope you guys like that with the time lapse. We got some stuff for our dinner.
Abigail woke up her grandpa.
Yeah, Abigail woke up Grandpa. So Emily slept almost the whole trip. She had a nice little nap, and then they got to use their own little shopping carts. So that's been our day. So from all of us in the car, if you guys can see all of us, Abigail's back there eating her meat stick. We all say, have a great day. If you're on March break, hope you guys get to have some fun. I'm gonna be working breakfast.
Please.
Emily says
And we're
peace.
staying home with Mama tomorrow.
Daddy's got to work till noon. But yes, we will see you guys later. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everybody.
Meat stick.
Bye-bye.
Stick.